May Android head unit ka na, pero kulang pa rin? Minsan lagi, hindi smooth, at hindi pa full features? Time for a real upgrade. From existing Android head unit, in-upgrade natin ito to our Subs Auto flagship ARM Pro Max X4 Duo Sony 360 Android head unit. Dual screen setup, perfect for driver and passenger. Pwede kayo mag-enjoy ng independent viewing habang nasa biyahe. Google certified na, kaya updatable lahat ng application, at dahil Android system na din ito, kaya may Play Store na. Pwede ka mag-download ng mga apps like Waze, Netflix, Spotify at iba pang mga apps na gusto mo. Equipped with Sony Lens 360 camera for crystal clear view. At take note, recording yan with parking recording, so kahit nakapark ka, secured ang sasakyan mo. Pwede mo rin ilipat-lipat ang apps from one screen to another. Super smooth and seamless gamitin. Plus, may wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for smarter, hassle-free driving experience. So kung feeling mo kulang pa yung current setup mo, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. And good news, available ito for almost all car models. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Message nyo na kami dito sa Subs Auto and upgrade your ride today, dahil dito sa Subs Auto, we make your car smart.